Happy SheetLoad of Cards Day! I hope you'll stick around to find out what makes the latest edition extra special and find out how to download this free card making printable. Hello crafty friends! My name is Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month on the 1st, I stop by and share a brand new free card making printable called SheetLoad of Cards. This is when I give a new sketch, supply list, and cutting guides to help you make the most of your products and yield a sheetload of cards. This is usually anywhere between 6 and 12 depending on the sketch, the paper size, etc. These printables are free to all subscribers of my channel for the first 2 years, and later on in this video I will tell you how to download it. You can also become a channel member and gain access to the almost 85 editions that I have shared here on YouTube. To find out more about membership, you can click on the join button right below this video. It does not automatically sign you up, but it will tell you about the different levels and different perks. And speaking of channel members, before proceeding, I would like to take a minute and recognize some special channel members. Thank you and welcome to Paper Trimmer Level Channel Membership to the following: Karina2110, Saida Lang, Bess Coravo, Becky Wilson, and Terry Doriot. Thank you as well to all of my channel members. You help to keep me creating here on YouTube and the last 2 years of SheetLoad of Cards free for all subscribers. In today's video, I will be sharing a look at the brand new SheetLoad of Cards for August 2026, telling you what makes it super duper extra special, and then how you can download it for free. Tomorrow, I will be back to show you how I put my first set together, including giving you some tips on how to do that, and my creative team will be joining me with their first sets for the month. And as I promised last month, we will be having some guest artists throughout the rest of the year. And we are kicking that off with Ellen of EGI Designs this month. She has been sharing SheetLoad of Cards over on her channel, and I was thrilled when she agreed to join us. If you're not yet already subscribed to everyone, I hope you'll take a few minutes to do that so you're all ready for tomorrow's videos. I do have everyone linked, including Ellen, down in that description box below. Let's go ahead and take a look at the brand new printable. The August 2026 SheetLoad of Cards is going to show you how to make 8 cards with just 4 pieces of 6x6 pattern paper and some cardstock. And as I mentioned, it is a super duper extra special edition. Not only will we be using 6x6 pattern paper, which I know many of you love, but the layout this month was inspired by one of the creative team members, and that is Letty of Party Planner Papery. In one of her recent SheetLoad of Cards videos, she shared a card that used the scraps from the set that she had made, and I just fell in love. So I was thrilled when she allowed me to use it as inspiration for this month's sketch, which, you guys, is the very first ever square card edition of SheetLoad of Cards. If you love a square card, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if they're not your favorite, I still hope that you will give them a try. As always, I do give you the single piece dimensions so you can try it out or use some scraps, and some alternative ideas of how to make this your own. Now, some of you in the US might not like the square card because it does cost extra if you mail square envelopes. But the good thing about this one is it fits in a regular A2 envelope, so you won't incur any extra postage unless, of course, your card is thick or a little extra heavy. Tomorrow, I will talk more about that. On page 2 of the printable, I give you the cutting guides for your cardstocks and pattern papers. And down here, there is a suggestion that if you want to make a 9th card, how you can do that. Once you do create your own sheet load of cards using the August 2026 edition, if you share them online, I would love for you to use the hashtags at the top of the printable, and I will have a video linked in the description box below that tells you other ways you can show us your sheet load, including my Facebook group and sending one in for the end of the month video. Before I share a look at the first set I made this month, I did want to show you the main supplies that I used. For my sentiment, I found this perfect set from Tailored Expressions that had a hello friend sentiment in a circle, which included the die, which this is a little bit bigger than on the original sketch, but this is just one of the ways that you can make sheet load your own and make it work with the supplies that you have. I chose 4 6x6 pattern papers, and these were actually sent in to me by a subscriber, Pam P. I loved the florals and then using one of the lighter yellows in a more subtle pattern for the coordinating pieces. For cardstock mats, I got out pumpkin cardstock from Tailored Expressions. In tomorrow's video, I will tell you about other products and tools that I use, but as always, if you ever have any questions, you can leave those in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Let's go ahead and take a look at my first set of cards using the August 2026 sheet load of cards. I hope you enjoyed getting a look at my first set of cards using the August 2026 sheet load of cards. If you did, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. Now let me tell you how you can download the free printable. If you would like to use the August 2026 printable to make a sheet load of square cards, as always, I do ask that you're subscribed to my channel before you click on the download link, which I'll tell you where that's at here in just a minute. Subscribing is free, quick, and easy. We do just go on the honor system here, so please make sure you've clicked on the subscribe button below before you click on the download link. You will find the link to the August 2026 sheet load of cards for the next 2 years in the description box below, right below my P.O. Box address. Below the link, it will say to watch the video for a password, but you taking the time to watch this far is your password. You can download the file to your device and print it like I have, or you can download it to your device and use it on screen. Don't forget to come back tomorrow where I will show you the process of how I made my cards. And until then, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.